Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating your Italki language tutor profile so you can start sharing your language skills and earning money daily. Follow these step-by-step instructions to get started. Step 1. Sign up for Italki. Visit the Italki website and sign up for an account. You can register using your email, Facebook, or Google account. Once you've signed up, you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to verify your account. Step 2. Choose tutor or language partner. After logging in, you'll need to decide whether you want to be a tutor or a language partner. For those who wish to earn money, select the tutor option. Step 3. Complete your profile. Once you choose to be a tutor, fill in your profile details. This includes your name, photo, and a brief introduction. Make sure to write a clear and engaging bio that highlights your teaching style and language expertise. Step 4. Set your availability. Next, you will need to set your availability. This is crucial as it informs potential students when you can teach. Make sure to choose times that work for you while also considering different time zones of your students. Step 5. Set your rates. Decide on your tutoring rates. Italki allows you to select your hourly rate based on your experience and the market. Make sure to research what other tutors with similar skills are charging. Step 6. Create a video introduction. A video introduction helps potential students get to know you better. Keep it short, engaging, and professional. Speak clearly and outline what students can expect from your lessons. Step 7. Submit your application. After completing all the steps, review your profile thoroughly and submit your application for review. Italki will evaluate your profile and notify you about its approval. Step 8. Start teaching. Once approved, you can start accepting students right away. Utilize Italki's platform to manage bookings, communicate with students, and receive payments seamlessly. That's it. By following these steps, you will successfully activate your Italki language tutor profile and be on your way to earning daily through language tutoring. Remember to engage with your students and continuously improve your teaching methods for the best experience. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.